Good morning, students. Today in S.St. we will go through chapter 3, that is the movement of the earth, movements of the earth. Today I will explain you about revolution. It has the fixed path. When it rotates, the earth rotates on its orbit on a fixed path. That is called revolution. And rotation, I told you that it causes day and night. And revolution, it causes season. Summer season, winter season, monsoon, all these seasons. And there are total 365 days, and 1/4 that is added in the February month. After every 4 years, that is the leap year. 29 days are there after every 4 years. That is the leap year. So we will talk about it. We will talk about revolution as well as the effect of revolution. So let's get started, and hope you have completed the diagram which I had given you. Do it in your S.St. fair copy. Okay, so let's get started. So students, this is revolution. The earth moves around the sun in a fixed path. See, this is the fixed path. This is the sun, this is the earth, and it moves around on a fixed path. It is here, then sometimes here it goes on moving, on a fixed path called orbit. This movement is called revolution. The earth takes 365 and 1/4 days to complete one revolution around the sun. How many days it takes? 365 and 1/4. 365 means the whole year. We observe our calendar year of 365 days. The 1/4 remaining day is added as an extra day after every 4 years. And where it is added? This extra day is added to the month of February as an extra day in that year. That year is known as the leap year, and February has 29 days in that year. We know now that February have 28 days, but in every 4 years, after every 4 years there is a leap year and we have 29 days. Okay, now we come to the effects of revolution. Now the biggest effect of the earth's revolution around the sun is the change of seasons. I told you, in rotation it is day and night, and in revolution it is change of seasons. The seasons on earth are affected by the following factors. Now what are the factors? The angle of the sun's rays and the length of the days. See, when the sun's rays reach the earth, they are parallel to each other. When the sun's rays reach the earth, they are parallel. If the earth has been rotating straight on its axis, then we would have experienced all season at the same time if it was straight. But we know now that it is tilted. However, this is not the case of the earth's axis. See here, you know now that it is tilted. See here, it is tilted. It is not straight. So when the sun's rays fall on the earth's surface, they are not parallel to the plane of the sunlight. The part of the earth that is tilted towards the sun receives more sunlight and observes summer. When it gets more sunlight and it is tilted more, then it has summer season. On the other hand, the part of the earth that is tilted away from the sun receives less sunlight and hence observes winter. Which is near the sun, it observes summer, and which is away from sun, it observes winter. In the month of June, the North Pole is tilted towards the sun. What happens? The North Pole, it is tilted towards the sun, while the South Pole is tilted away from the sun. See here, the North Pole is tilted towards the sun, and South Pole is tilted away from the sun. So what happens? Thus places in the northern hemisphere experience summer, while the places in the southern hemisphere experience winter. In December, the South Pole is tilted toward the sun. Now what happens in December? The South Pole again, it is tilted towards the sun, and the North Pole is tilted away, just opposite. So what happens? Thus places in southern hemisphere experience summer, while places in the northern hemisphere experience winter. See, whenever the the tilt is near the sun. When the earth is tilted towards the sun, it is summer, and when it is away from the sun, it is winter. So be it northern hemisphere or be it southern hemisphere. Okay, so once again I will repeat it. See, the earth moves around the sun in a fixed path called orbit. This movement is called revolution. The earth takes 365 days to complete one revolution around the sun. We observe our calendar year of 365 days. The 1/4 remaining day is added as an extra day after every 4 years. This extra day is added to the month of February as an extra day in the year. That year is known as the leap year, and February has 29 days. The biggest effect of the earth's revolution around the sun is the change of season. And the points are the angle of the sun's rays and the length of the days. When the sun's rays reach the earth, they are parallel to each other. If the earth had been rotating straight, see, if the earth was straight, see, it is tilted now. If it was straight, then what would have happened? It had experienced all season at the same time. All summer, winter, rainy, all season were in the same time. However, this is not the case of Earth's axis being tilted. When the sun's rays fall on the Earth's surface, they are parallel to the plane of the sunlight. So, students, today we have gone through this. Now, one more diagram is left, that is the equinox and solstice. This diagram you are going to draw it in your S.St copy. Okay. Then after this, tomorrow I'll explain you about solstices. What is solstices? Then what is equinox? Okay. Thank you.